Alright, well, welcome to my video on using Notepad++ as an HTML editor. So, let's get started then.
So here we are at Notepad++, a little program I downloaded. It's very handy. But what I like to use it for is, working on different HTML documents in here, manipulating things around. And as you can see, I've got some HTML here, some HTML code. And, I like to see it highlighted. And also when I'm typing, like for instance, if I want to put a paragraph, it doesn't really show me the paragraph here, and it doesn't do any closing tags. I have to put those in myself, so it doesn't give me the right kind of hints. So what I want to show you is how to change that so it works for you. So what we want to do is we want to jump up here to settings, and then we're going to go down to preferences, and we're going to go to new document. Now every time you make a new document, this is kind of the default language, which is basically a normal text document. But for my case, and if you wanted to work on HTML in yours, you'd want to change this to HTML right here, like that. So every time you have a new document, you're going to get an HTML document rather than just a regular notepad. And then one other thing to change down here, so it does some auto-completing, would be to change the autocomplete check marks right here. I just check these two right here and close it. So now you can see what I have here. Now if I make a copy of this real quick, like this, we'll copy that. Now if I make a new document, the new document comes up and it should be an HTML document. So if I paste this in, there you go. Now you can see the difference. It's actually highlighting all of my stuff for me, and that's what I wanted. And also, if I were to go to put a div tag in here, it shows me the tags, and then when I put my closing bracket, it closes it for me. So that's how we switch Notepad++ to work with HTML. Very nice and very handy.